All right, so you need to make sure that you are on the home page. Make sure you're on the home page. Then you click on subscribe. After clicking on subscribe, you choose which plan to go with. Are you going with the 1 star, 2 star, the 3 star, or the 4 star? So I'm joining the 1 star, the one for $50. The first one, that's the one I'm going with. And yeah, so just read the instructions there, blah blah blah, on how you do it. But you just scroll down, then you click on pay $50. Then you enter your password. This is the very same password that you used when you were creating your account. So it's the same thing as the main account password, or the funding password is one and the same thing. Then you have to click on submit, and just like that, you have successfully bought your plan. You can now start watching ads. Click on watch ads. Let me just click on watch ads to start viewing ads and start making money. It is still loading. And this thing is very simple. And this is how the adverts play, just like this is how they play. Then you click on claim to claim your daily income. I click, then it is received, just like that. That's what you do.